Hello YouTube. So today I want to do a short video on this 2008 Saab that I own. I also have a 2006 Saab that I've done a couple of videos on that you guys probably have seen. So this being a 2008, it's got the different front end. These are obviously LED headlights, and this one has a Hirsch tuned engine. So it's got 240 horsepower versus stock is 210 horsepower, and it's got the lowered suspension. So you see it's actually about an inch and a half lower than ride height wise compared to stock. And so here's the Hirsch emblem, just kind of like a moose emblem. And the car is actually from California. I live in Chicago, so there's basically no rust on it. The body is in really good shape. It has been exposed to a whole lot of salt and things like that. So what I'm going to do is go and do a shot of the interior as well, so you can see. Yeah, it's got the navigation, and you know, looking at the mileage wise, you know, 105,000 miles. Yeah, so you know, this is a pretty nice vehicle inside. You know, it's got the carbon fiber trim and you know, some of the nice stuff. So let me go ahead and talk about the reason I'm making this video is because the suspension being lowered. So let me talk about a couple years ago when I bought the vehicle. It actually had a problem with the you know, the vibration in the front when you accelerate on a highway, and it turns out that both of the CV axles, the inner joint had failed, and actually it was it got to the point that it ripped the CV boots, both inner CV boots, and you know, it was slinging grease all over the place. So I had that replaced, and you know, problem, I thought it was solved. And fast forward to today, well, I'm having the same problem. And so I'm, you know, down there checking the CV joint again, and then both of the inner CV joints, they're not leaking, but they're bad again. You know, you can feel there's some looseness. So I checked on some of the forums on Saab and some other vehicles. It turns out that if you lower the car, this could be the side effect. And so what I'm about to do is, you know, probably within a week or two or something like that, I'm gonna have to restore the ride height of this vehicle back to stock. Meaning I'm gonna have to go and get some I'm gonna, you know, see if I can get some used struts and some used springs, and then you know, swap out the lowered suspension components, and I think that's going to solve my problem. And so yeah, that's unfortunate, because the stands, it being lowered, it looks really nice, you know, with these wheels, the Inkai wheels, but yeah, it's just one of those things, you know. I guess if you mess with the factory setup, you know, you kind of have to live with the kind of the unintended consequences. But yeah, it looks very nice, and you know, you got these tires too. They're Bridgestone, and I love them. But hey, what are you gonna do, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do this video. And you know, if you have any suggestions, people out there, leave me comments, and if you like the video, hit subscribe and like, and I will talk to you guys soon, and take care. God bless. Bye.